Hey guys, wanted to make another real quick video for you in regards to the Rika Austroflamm burn pots. Uh, when we ended up purchasing the distributorship from Lucky's Distributing, we acquired pretty much the majority of all imported inventory that remained in the United States that basically has to be imported today. Along with the purchase, we got the molds for the burn pots, and we have plenty of them in stock. The Integra 1 and the Austroflamm Integra 1 and the Rika Integra 2 burn pot is identical. Okay? For those of you out there that realize that your Integra, or actually your Austroflamm, has a square stainless steel burn pot, that's the biomass unit that Conrad Mayer, the designer and gentleman that brought Austroflamm to the United States, good friend of ours, has the stainless steel square burn pot. We have those also, just don't happen to have one in my hand right now. So if you're looking for a burn pot for the Integra 1 or the Rika Integra 2, we got plenty of them. We manufacture them ourselves, and we try to stay very competitively priced. So when you find that it's hard to find them out there elsewhere, give Off Grid Stoves and More a call, and we'll shoot you one in the mail. We also have the burn pots for the Premio Vizio, and I can tell you that those are nowhere to be found other than Off Grid Stoves and More.